Electrical permits are required for various types of electrical work as specified by the National Electrical Code. This includes installing, altering, repairing, or replacing any electrical equipment, wiring, or fixtures. Connecting new electrical service to a building also necessitates a permit. Increasing the capacity of an existing electrical service requires a permit as well, as does changing the location of any electrical equipment. When it comes to connections between lamps, the National Electrical Code, specifically sections 410.16 and 410.20, provides specific requirements. All electrical connections must be made in an approved manner, utilizing approved materials and methods. NEC 410.16 at states that electrical connections between fixtures and wiring must be made in a junction box or similar enclosure approved for the purpose. This is crucial for safety and code compliance. NEC 410.16 specifies that connections made by soldering, crimping, or using pressure-type connectors must be mechanically secure and have proper electrical conductivity. This ensures a reliable and safe electrical connection. NEC 410.16b emphasizes that fixtures must be installed in such a way that they do not create a strain on the electrical connection. Excessive strain can lead to loose connections and potential hazards. NEC 410.20 addresses the use of flexible cords to connect a lamp to a power supply. It mandates that the cords must be securely attached to the lamp and electrical supply, preventing strain on the connections. There are additional considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, always follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing and wiring lamps. These instructions provide essential guidance specific to the product. Secondly, use appropriate wire connectors and electrical tape to ensure proper connections. Selecting the right materials is critical for a safe and reliable electrical system. Thirdly, inspect all electrical connections regularly for any signs of damage or wear. Regular inspections can identify potential problems before they become serious. It is important to reiterate that if you are not comfortable performing electrical work, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and a professional electrician has the knowledge and experience to do the job safely and correctly. Therefore, understanding the NEC requirements for electrical permits and lamp connections is crucial for ensuring safety and compliance in electrical installations.